Goldacres G4V Crop Cruiser sprayer was unveiled just over 12 months ago, and the company says the response has already been overwhelming. Its unique hydromechanical drive allows vegetable farmers to spray effectively at a slow speed while maximizing fuel economy.
They're saying the machine is great. It's a lot, seems to be a lot more upmarket than what they're used to. Really comfortable to drive, really good fuel efficiency, of course, and yeah, just the finish and the quality of the machine seems to be, they're quite impressed by it.
For 2018, Goldacres has introduced more versatile boom options on the G4V that allow operators to fold up just one side of the boom for single-sided spraying.
You can also lift each side of the boom individually and still retain the nozzles completely over the target. So it's really good for horticulture, where you have to get that nozzle over the target.
The first G4V with a single-side folding boom was sold to a vegetable farmer in New Zealand who was wrapped with his new purchase.
The boom ride is Goldacres through and through, really good suspension on it. It's got the three-way Tri-Tech suspension or a three-way Delta boom on it with the Delta suspension.
The G4V comes standard with a 4,000 litre tank, but this can be upgraded with an optional 3,000 litre tank.
People seem to like a little bit bigger capacity. It actually goes out to about 4,500 or 4,400 litres if you fill it to the brim.
Boom options on the G4V go from 18 metres to 36 metres. It also features four-wheel steering for better maneuverability at tight headlands.
That can be engaged manually, or if you go over 15 k's an hour, it'll disengage for safety reasons. But it's great for tight headlands. It'll turn in a dime, this machine. Unique to the G4V, this boom features a single spray bar underneath the boom, so it keeps all your nozzles in perfect alignment, which is great for horticulture. If you've got different nozzle configurations you want, this boom will handle anything, any nozzle spacings. Fully height adjustable, of course. It's got tilt built into it as a standard feature. It has hydraulic yaw as standard. It's got roll suspension as well as up and down suspension.
The G4V has a top speed of 45 km per hour, making it ideal for road transport.
Has a 3-speed transfer case, so if the going gets a bit tough, you can flick between first, second or third.
A spacious cabin and ergonomically placed controls further add to a comfortable operating experience.
All controls are pretty easy, they're all at your fingertips, pretty simple to use, pretty self-explanatory.
Goldacres G4V sprayer model is priced at around $350,000, depending on the configurations and options.